The fastest animal on land. The cheetah, Acinonyx jubatus, is a marvel of nature and the undisputed fastest animal on land. Renowned for its speed, agility, and unique adaptations, the cheetah is an apex predator and a fascinating creature of the African savannas and parts of Iran. Let's explore the remarkable characteristics and lifestyle of this incredible animal. Unmatched speed cheetahs hold the title of the fastest land animal, capable of reaching speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour. (75 miles per hour). This extraordinary speed is achieved in short bursts, typically lasting only 20 to 30 seconds. During a sprint, a cheetah covers around 6 to 7 meters per stride, and it can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. (62 miles per hour) in just 3 seconds. 3 seconds faster than most sports cars. Unique physical adaptations. The cheetah's body is perfectly engineered for speed. Here are some key adaptations. Aerodynamic build. Its slender body, lightweight frame, and long legs reduce drag and maximize acceleration. Flexible spine. The cheetah's highly flexible spine allows it to stretch and contract its body, enabling longer strides during a sprint. Specialized claws. Unlike other big cats, cheetahs have semi-retractable claws that provide extra grip, similar to spikes on running shoes.
Oh, yeah.
Enlarged nasal passages and lungs. These allow for rapid oxygen intake during a chase, keeping muscles supplied with the energy they need. Long tail. The tail acts as a rudder, helping the cheetah maintain balance and make sharp turns while chasing prey. Hunting strategy. Cheetahs are diurnal hunters, meaning they are most active during the day. This reduces competition with nocturnal predators like lions and leopards. Their hunting process can be broken down into 3 stages. Stalking. Cheetahs rely on their excellent vision to locate prey, such as gazelles, impalas, and other small to medium-sized ungulates. They get as close as possible before launching an attack. Chasing. Once close enough, the cheetah sprints at full speed to catch its prey. This phase is short due to the enormous energy expenditure. Takedown. The cheetah uses its sharp claws and powerful jaws to bring down the prey, often aiming for the throat to ensure a quick kill. Habitat and distribution. Cheetahs are primarily found in sub-Saharan Africa, but a small population also exists in Iran. They prefer open grasslands, savannas, and semi-arid regions where their speed can be fully utilized. Unfortunately, their habitats are under threat due to human activities like agriculture and urbanization. Life cycle and social structure. Cheetahs have a relatively short lifespan in the wild, averaging 7 to 10 years. Females are solitary, except when raising cubs, while males often form small groups called coalitions, typically with their brothers. Cubs face a high mortality rate, with predators like lions and hyenas posing significant threats. Conservation status. The cheetah is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List, with an estimated population of only 7,000 individuals left in the wild. Major threats include habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and illegal wildlife trade. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their habitats, reduce poaching, and promote coexistence between cheetahs and local communities. Fascinating facts about cheetahs. Unique spots. Each cheetah has a unique pattern of spots, making them as individual as human fingerprints. Silent hunters. Unlike lions or leopards, cheetahs do not roar. Instead, they communicate through chirps, purrs, and growls. World record holder. A cheetah named Sarah set the record for the fastest 100-meter dash by an animal, completing it in just 5.95 seconds. Specialized vision. Cheetahs have a distinctive black tear stripe running from their eyes to their mouth, reducing glare from the sun